what's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Quick video today, refurbishment of Nismo muffler. I bought this is one of my two Nismo mufflers I've got. Basically I bought it for $90 maybe 2 years ago. It wasn't in the best condition, as you can see here, but it was stainless steel, so I wanted to see if I could polish it back up to its former glory, or get it, I guess, a little bit decent, more so than what it was. So again, well, firstly, apologies for the camera work. I don't know what's going on with my camera at the moment, but it was just not cooperating, and it was just, yeah, so some of the video is pretty terrible, if I'm honest. I'm just giving it a bit of a spray down at the moment and wipe down, and you can see there is a bit of obviously chrome going through there, but it's not looking 100%. So I'm using a few different compounds here because I've heard things about polishing up obviously stainless steel, and what I just used then was a bit of WD-40. Now if I was to do this properly, I would have obviously, I guess, done a lot more research and looked into what compounds to use in order to get off surface rust and things like that. I'm not that confident with this stuff yet, so I'm not really prepared to obviously do anything like that. So again, this is just some spare compounds I had laying around at the house. So I had some Steel-O, which is steel shine, and this is metal polish, and I basically just wanted to see how, well, I guess how brilliant I could bring this up, and how bright I could bring this up. So you'll notice, look, this is tough because the light was really bad, and for some reason the flash kept on going on and off, constantly saying that it was overheating even though it wasn't. So I'm not sure what happened there, but for the most part this video is just, it is what it is. So this is, I don't know if you guys necessarily need to see this stuff, but this is just stuff that I do at home now. So I'm not working at the moment. Unfortunately, my condition has gotten the better of me in terms of my mental capacity. So this is what it is for the time being, until I can obviously sort myself out, or hopefully get it sorted out. So I'm just obviously applying some more polish now with some 0000 steel wool, and that helps obviously polish things up as well. So again, just going over it with the pad now, just to polish it up a bit more and see what the result is. And I'll be honest with you, I was pretty impressed with how it turned out. It's really going to suit the car, and I think that for $90 it was a really good buy. And with stuff like this, little details make a big difference. So those hooks that were originally holding the muffler on, I ended up hitting it with some duplicolor high heat aluminium paint, just to obviously give it a bit of contrast as well, because I think they were also stainless to begin with, but I wanted to give it a bit of contrast when you're looking at the muffler on the car. So it's important to remember, you're not actually too concerned with the top side of the muffler, it's more the bottom side and the entrance that is going to obviously make it look good. So we'll do a final hand polish and reassemble everything, which is not much at all, but it's important to remember what this looked like when we first started working on it, and what it looks like now. Obviously I'm just reassembling everything at the moment, which is basically 2 bolts and 2 nuts, and that's about as difficult as it gets, really. Not difficult at all. So as I said, I wanted these holders to be a different color from stainless, because I want it to look like there's some contrast there. I don't know why I wanted it to be this way, it's just what I wanted, and that was that, really. But in terms of how everything looks, I am pretty happy with it. I honestly don't see, look, it could have been a lot better if I spent more time and done a lot more research. I was bored at home and I needed something to do, so this was it basically. And I had a polishing pad and some compound left from another previous thing I did, so it made sense just to do this like it was. As I said, I'm pretty amazed at how it turned out, even just with a polishing pad, some over-the-shelf products, and basically a bit of effort and time. I'm really surprised with how it turned out. I can't wait to actually get this on the car, especially in the condition it's in now. I think it's going to look great. But I've got a few special things coming up shortly. I'm going to keep doing some more of these smaller videos. Obviously that's what it looked like beforehand, and then what we're looking at now. As I said, the chrome doesn't always show up, or the stainless steel doesn't always show up as well on the camera. You can see there it's not perfect, but it's a lot better than what it was. If I spent more time and had some, I guess, did some real research on what compounds to use in order to get rid of that stuff, I probably could have made it as close to new as possible. But look, for what it is, I'm wrapped with how it came out. It was real simple. I'll put everything in the description anyway as to what I use, the compounds and whatnot. But look, thanks for everyone who tuned in. Thanks for everyone who watches and likes and comments. I appreciate it. I hope you all had a good new year. And as always, take care.